Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by forcing the raid to engage where you want it. Clear a 30 to 40 pace perimeter and funnel attackers into predictable lanes. Once done, lay layered traps, stun nearest, bleed mid, knockback outer, so attackers lose momentum progressively. Make sure to assign 2 players to alarm duty so they call incoming waves, while one supports with ranged suppression. This establishes control early. You shape enemy behavior instead of reacting to it, which dramatically reduces raid chaos and casualties. Once your funnel is active, convert it into a true kill zone by narrowing gates and adding spike corridors. This boosts each trap's hit rate and prevents flanking. Then, make sure to set up healing stations and ammo caches just behind the front line so players can rotate out and recover without exposing the base. Coordinate focus fire with markers so you remove crowd controllers first, then high-damage enemies. This keeps pressure steady. It maintains manpower and prevents waves from snowballing into base breaches. You finish raids by doing a controlled sweep. Use grenades or heavy attacks to clear stragglers while your teammates hold choke points. Once the last enemy falls, immediately repair damaged walls and swap out broken traps. This prevents early failure on the following wave. If things go wrong and you're overwhelmed, fall back to your inner keep and reset the choke points so traps can retarget safely. One key troubleshooting tip: if enemies bypass traps, check for unintended gaps and overlapping trigger ranges, then rebuild with.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.